Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a cartoon parrot. Here he is. And it's very simple. It looks hard, but it's actually very simple. So you're going to need a pencil, a black marker, light brown marker, red marker, blue marker, dark blue marker, light blue marker, red marker, orange marker, and a light green marker. So we're going to take our pencil and fix it. Okay, we're going to take it and let's see if I can. No, I'm not going to draw upside down right now. Let's see. You're going to take it and you're going to kind of go like that. Well, that's not really like that. Snap. Okay, so I'm going to take it and go make it pointy. It's the beak. And then you're just going to go make a little curve there. Go. And then right under that little curve, make a little mark right there. Then you're going to take it and go up and then around like that. And then you'll erase a little bit. Because I kind of messed up there. And then you're going to take it and you're going to make a little line up there for the nostril. There we go. There's the beak. This is not a very good beak, but that's okay. Then you're going to take it and just a little bit over it, you're going to go up and stop. And it's about right there. Then you're going to take it and you're going to go, well, let me fix this head a little bit. There we go. You're going to go up, make 3 feathers. Or, I don't know what you would call it. Then after you do that, you're going to go down and make it almost like a heart shape. Just like that. It doesn't look very good right now, but it looks a lot better when you're done. Okay? Then once you do that, you're going to take it and go up, make a big thing up there, come down, just like that. And then you're going to make a bunch more, but this time they're all going to be a little bit smaller. There we go, that's a lot of feathers, okay? That. Then once you do that, right about a centimeter before it, you're going to take it and you're going to go for the tail, and then you're going to make 3 feathers on the tail. That. And then you're going to come up. It'll look like this. Then after you come to the bottom of your beak, you take it and you go out a little, then you make 2 little feathers, and then after you make your second feather, you go around and you make like a little loop right there. Well, bigger than that. Let me help. Let me show you. I messed up there. Okay. Video's getting long. Like that. And then once you do that, we're gonna make the eye and start at the bottom. Then you make it big, big, just like that, just like that. Then you're gonna make a little line in it. Then you're gonna make like an oval at the top. Then you're gonna go like that. Make a little thing right there. Right there. Then, let's see. We're gonna make a little eyebrow up here. There. Whoa, paper's falling. There. Okay. Now that you've done that, Now where we went down, Peter's turning off. Okay. Take it and you're gonna go like, just kind of fixing that a little. Yeah, that's better. Okay, so now, right in the middle, well, right on your first ruffle here, you're gonna take it and you're gonna go down, make a ruffle, down, a little bit down, make another ruffle, and then, whoa, this is really close to my tail. I need to really spread that out. Okay, let's see. So I'm gonna raise my tail right here. Okay, make a new tail here. 1, 2, 3. Okay, then I'm gonna go, let's see, right, a little bit down, a little, gonna go like that. See those? Those, right? Gonna get right there. Then you're gonna go like right on top of them, just like that. Now let's make a branch here under his feet. Gotta hurry here. Over between his toes. Then you're gonna take the leaf and make another little branch up there. If you can see that right there. Then let me erase a little bit of it. Then you're gonna make a leaf just to kind of show that you're in a tree, that he's in a tree, not you. But let me kind of curve my ends of my leaf. There, that's a little better. Not fantastic, but that's better. There we go. Now for coloring, we're gonna take our black marker and outline it all. Everything, every single thing. Okay. Okay. Let's outline the branch now. Almost done here. So we color it. This top branch. Do the leaf and the line in the middle of the leaf. Okay. Now we're gonna take your light blue and color that little top oval in his eye. And then how we made the 3 feathers in the tail, do the first feather and the last feather in the tail. Just like that. It looks a little bit darker from here, but okay. Now you're going to take your orange and color in all of the beak. Be sure that when you're coloring, you don't get your marker, see, like I just did, get your marker into the black or else it'll be an icky black mess. Now my beak doesn't look very good. Don't turn off. No, and then you'll do the feet too. Okay? Now, let's take our red and you're going to color in all of the head and all of the body. So let's hurry and do that. I'm going to kind of scribble a little here. Last time I tried to show you how to make this parrot, it told me that my video was way too long. But we still have about 5 minutes, so. This isn't going to look as good as my other one. It looks really good when you're done with it. Okay. Color that in a little better. Okay. It should look just like that. See, I still have a little bit of white spot, but that's okay. Okay, now you're gonna, I forgot something with the black. Take the black, and then right here, take it, do it right there, so it looks just like that. And then you're gonna take your dark blue, and in that middle feather in your tail, you're gonna color that in. Okay, so now for the branch, you're gonna take your light brown and color it in. I think we're actually going to make this video work. Okay, then you'll do that top branch that we made right there. And then you'll take your light green and color in the leaf. I'm going to do a sky. If you are wondering, see, I'm not because I already did one like that. But if you are going to do the sky, I would do it all around. And I use the blue-green. It looks really good. It looks just like, let me find a scrap piece of paper. Well, let's use the back of this. Here, it looks just like that. Well, it actually looks better in real life, but yeah. So, that's how you make a cartoon parrot. Thanks for watching. Bye!